in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
On September 18, 2024, a law enforcement officer was dispatched to a citizen holding call or a citizen holding suspect call at 9825 Stella Link Road in Harris County, Texas.
This right here is the turning point. The moment children are involved, the entire legal standard shifts. Judges don't take risks in cases like this. Community safety becomes priority number one. But here's the real question. Is this fear-based decision-making or solid legal reasoning? Let me know what you think.
Plaintiff stated that security guards entered the locker room and forcefully removed the defendant. The law enforcement officer observed the defendant detained in front of the boys' locker room and was identified with his Texas driver's license.
Mr. Williams, you're not a student there or a teacher there, are you? Okay, don't go back to Emory Wingen. Holy moly, if I find that you go back to a school or any, is it an elementary school? And it's like a high school, isn't it? Like a.
I believe it's a middle school. Let me double check.
Do you have any children? I'm ordering you not to go to any high school, any middle school, any elementary school whatsoever for any reason. Not to have contact with anyone under the age of 15. And if you do, I'm going to put you in jail. Do you understand?
I guess it's a mixed school. They serve grades 6 through 12.
How old are you, Mr. Williams? 43. What do you do for a living, sir? Okay. I'm going to tell you now that my sole purpose in life is to protect every single child in this county. And if I find that you become a danger to anyone, I'm going to make your bond so high, you're going to have teeth falling out. Do you understand, sir? No contact, and I'm absolutely serious. How much money do you make a month, sir? Okay. We're going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. So for now, I'm going to have you go to Victoria, sign a reset. After that, I'll have you take your seat in the jury box. So we'll get your bond conditions. We'll have you sign it.
Judge, can we also ask for restrictions to parks?
So are you here on this case?
I'm not, Judge. I just have to look at the probable cause.
Tell me, what do you got?
Well, based upon the probable cause, Judge, the state would recommend restriction to any parks where children should be normally at play and restriction to internet access in order to prevent any type of interaction. But I am not on this case.
No, yeah. Well, I mean, I want to protect all children, right? If he was charged with something like a child pornography, then absolutely, right? But he may have a lot of business on internet, banking, mortgage, just. Parks, okay. Internet, I don't know. I think that might be, Yeah. You see what they want me to do, Mr. Williams, right? And I'm going to tell you now, if I were to limit your internet access, your life would be it would just be a lot more difficult. I don't want to make your life difficult, but at the same time, I want to protect every single child here. And I'm going to do everything I need to do it. Do you understand? So if I find that you're acting a fool out there in the free world, however it may be, you saw me just now put someone else with a $50,000 bond. I mean, I have no problem making it $500,000. I've done it before and I'll do it again. So just beware when you're out there, make smart choices. Do you understand? Okay, so no parks or places where children can go.
Any devices?
Devices, guys?
I'm sorry, Judge.
Device?
Most definitely a GPS device with an exclusion zone, Judge. At that.
I think I agree with that as well, but I'll waive the fee so he doesn't have to pay for it.
Judge, we would ask for home confinement as well.
Well, I'm not going to do home confinement. He's got to work. That would seriously, he said he doesn't have children.
Could we request some sort of proof of employment, Judge, so I know that he's not misrepresenting the court or we say no home confinement, because this is a dangerous case, Judge. And part of the community is affected by this case. Children were affected. He goes into the boys' locker room, refuses to leave. Then when he says he's gonna leave, he goes to the girls' locker room. And yes, Judge, it's a very dangerous case and the community was affected.
Yeah, and then going within, 500 feet of any school, elementary school. Yeah. I'm putting a monitor on you so I know where you are, because I'm not going to take your word for it. Understand, if the battery dies, so will you. You have to charge it on a daily basis. That thing costs around $500 to $600 a month. I'm going to pay for it for you so that there's no excuse, but you need to understand that you're going to have to charge that thing on a daily basis. And if the battery dies, that's it. I'm not going to entertain any excuses. Do you understand? Now, I'm not going to require proof of employment, but I'm going to take your word that you're a working man, that somehow you need to survive, but just you're walking and skirting a very short leash here. Do you understand?
Now, this is serious. An ankle monitor isn't just supervision, it's control. And notice what the judge did? He removed every excuse, even paying for it himself. That tells you one thing. Trust is completely gone. But is this justice, or is it already punishment before conviction?
Application. Yeah, I guess no drugs, no alcohol as well. Yeah. I will provide you a lawyer today. They'll be able to counsel you on how to move forward, but no drugs, no alcohol. You know what the other conditions are. They want me to make you stay at home. I don't want to have to do that. Just, you understand what's expected of you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, man. All right. I'll have you sign a